Hey folks, our radar across the valley tonight is quiet, but if we zoom out just a little bit and look to the north, see if you can find the front on here. I think it kind of stands out if you look carefully at it. This is mostly just ground clutter, but you can certainly see it embedded within that as it pushes south. The line right here. That's our front. Not quite to Corpus Christi yet. It's already through Victoria. It's going through Cotulla as we speak. Went through San Antonio a long time ago. Continuing to push to the south. What's it doing to temperatures? Well, doesn't drop off all that much right away. Beeville's dropped to 69. Victoria 67. Pleasanton 64. San Antonio's at 62 right now, but they're not in the 70s like we are. They're going to be a whole lot cooler tomorrow as that front continues pressing down to the south. Now, if we look at our currents, here's where we are. We're still in the 70s with the exception of Harlingen and Raymondville at 69 degrees. But let's watch future track, shall we? 8 o'clock in the morning, temperature still in the 70s across the valley, but there's that thin blue line sitting just to the north of us. It will push in midday or so. Temperatures try to touch 80 before the front gets here, but then once the front goes through by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, a lot of the valley's in the 60s. Still Brownsville and the island might be holding out in the low 70s, but certainly not upper 80s and low 90s like it was today at that time. A good 20, 25 degree drop from today. And then Wednesday, tomorrow night at 11 p.m., upper 50s, and we just keep going down. By Thursday morning, mid-50s, and then look at the daytime Thursday. The numbers go up a little, but not very much. Some places in the east might touch 60, west upper 50s, just depends on how much rain's around. And then Friday we start in the low 60s, but don't go up much, topping out probably in the upper 60s in the afternoon on Friday. 7-day highs. We go from 80 tomorrow to 59 on Thursday, back to 70 on Friday, and back to 83 on Saturday. That's our roller coaster for the next few days, but certainly Thursday, the coolest, dampest, cloudiest day we've seen in quite some time because it's going to be a thick overcast, lots of dark gray clouds, and it's just going to be that way for really about 24 hours. You see tomorrow, front comes in, a lot of clouds with it, some rain behind it. Could be a period of light to moderate rain overnight tomorrow night. And then as you head into Thursday during the daytime, it's more just a cloud issue with maybe some leftover sprinkles, but our rain chances go 30 late Wednesday up to 40 for early Thursday, then back to 30, and then a slight chance of showers even through the week. There's the front, pushes south into the valley midday tomorrow, turns cooler, and it just doesn't warm up Thursday. We drop to the 50s and we just stay there. And look at the clouds. Look at all the gray that just doesn't go away. It's still there Friday, it's still there Saturday, and probably a few sprinkles any of those days as well. So let's jump to the forecast then for tonight across the valley. We expect the clouds to be late arriving, so most of the night's mainly clear, low of 71. And then tomorrow, clouds increasing as the day goes by. It turns breezy and cooler. We're a high of 80, but then temperatures will fall through the 70s by the end of the day into the 60s, and by Thursday morning in the 50s, and we just stay there all day. Try to get back to 70 on Friday, still some clouds and drizzle around, and even over the weekend, still a lot of clouds. Could be a couple of showers over the weekend as well, even into early next week. Big changes coming courtesy of that front tomorrow. That's your updated First One 5 forecast.